Hello everyone. Uh, Welcome back to cloud computing classes. So student, today we will discuss about two types of cloud computing services. Yeah, cloud computing services. So it is another type of cloud computing based on services of cloud computing. So a cloud service is any service made available to users on demand via the internet from cloud computing provider server, as opposed to being provided from a company owned on premises server. So, in other words, you can say that here term cloud services deliver to companies and customer over the internet. So, cloud computing is a model for enabling pool of configurable computing resources, that is, resources means network, server, storage or database, application and services that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort. These services are designed to provide easy, affordable cost access to application and resources without the need of own infrastructure or hardware. So there are various types of cloud computing services. So first is software as a service. In short name, SaaS services. Next is second point, infrastructure as a services. Third is platform as a services. Fourth is storage as a services. Fifth is communication as a services. Sixth is network as a services. And seventh is anything as a services. But here I will discuss only three services of cloud technology, and that are: first is software as a services, known as a SaaS. Second is platform as a services, known as a PaaS. Third is infrastructure as a services, known as IaaS. First is SaaS. SaaS means software as a services. So what is software as a services? So it is also known as a cloud application services. Mostly SaaS application run directly through the web browser. Means we do not require to download and install these applications. Some important example of SaaS is Google Apps, Salesforce.com, Dropbox, Cisco, Webex. Second is platform as a services. So it is also known as a cloud platform services. It is quite similar to SaaS, but the difference is that SaaS provide a platform for software creation or development online. But SaaS we can access software over the internet without the need of any platform. So, some important example of PaaS is Windows, Azure, Salesforce.com, Magento, Commerce Cloud, OpenShift, etc. And third is infrastructure as a services. So infrastructure as a services means it is also known as a cloud infrastructure services. It is responsible for managing application, data, middleware and runtime environment. So what is runtime environment or runtime cloud? Runtime cloud provides the execution and runtime environment to the virtual machine. So you can run a application program written in any computer language or programming language known as a runtime cloud. And what is storage cloud? So storage cloud is one of the most important component of cloud computing. It provides a huge amount of storage capacity in the cloud to store and manage data. And another service as a management as a service. So management is used to manage component such as application services, runtime services, cloud services, storage services, infrastructure and the other security issues in the backend and establish coordination between them. So student, thank you very much.